Good day, folks. Today we are going to review the 5 Wedded Brides or Go Tobu no Hanayome. What is this manga? What is it all about? Let's discuss about it further. And before we start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free after all. So, let's begin. Go Tobun no Hanayomi manga. This manga is created by Haruba Negi from 2017 to 2020. The genres of this manga are harem and school life. So, in the beginning, we are immediately shown the scene of getting married. Who's getting married? Let's find out. From there, we start the story with a flashback. Barbecue without barbecue. So, our main character is Futaro. He is saving some money. The barbecue price is 400 yen, and if you order only rice, is 200 yen. But if you order rice without the barbecue, it's 200 yen. So, it's a pretty good deal. Especially, you also get the miso soup with the pickles. Then, the drink is free. He is looking for a seat, when suddenly there is a beautiful woman. Then, they fought over their seats. Futaro sat down in a dirty manner, claiming that he sat down first. Not to be outdone, this woman also sat down. She eats with a total meal over 1000 yen, which is very expensive if we compare it to Futaro. Because he eats while studying, the paper was taken. The score is 100. What? Fascinated by the score, this woman asked to be taught. Nope. Then, he gets a call from his sister. Their family debt finally can be paid on one condition. Futaro have to become a tutor. Yeah, can you guess it? The woman that he met earlier, her name is Itsuki, was the one Futaro had to teach. After that, he met her in the cafeteria. Itsuki teaches Futaro about what happened yesterday. From there on, he met one by one beautiful women. Some are mature, clumsy, cool, and tsundere. Then he immediately went to the house where he had to teach as a tutor. Even Naruto can guess who he should teach. Not only Itsuki, but all the beautiful women he met earlier. Now, we go back to the future. One of the beautiful women he will marry. So which one? You can continue to read it online. Pro. Various character. With 5 beautiful women who each have unique and different characters, we as a reader can choose which type we like. I prefer Miku because she is cool like Uchiha Sasuke. Which type you like the most? Leave a comment down below so we know. Make you curious because from the start we know that Futaro will choose one woman he will marry. So there is no happy ending for all of them. Only one is chosen. And we, as a reader, have to guess and also be given a plot twist while we read who the winner is. No filler. In the most manga, we get a lot of filler stories. A story that should have been 30 chapters made into 100 chapters, so the quality will be lower. and might be bore some of you. Here, we get the full story. Cons. Cannot satisfy everyone. Because every reader has their own preference of the characters. So, those whose preferences are not selected might feel disappointed because there can be only one winner. Quite short. Because there is no filler, then the story is only 122 chapters. So, if you like the manga, you will finish it very quickly, or you have to read it over and over again. Newcomer. The newcomer is the newly arriving people to our manga world, usually caused by their friends recommending them to read or their own curiosity. Shounen enjoyer. One Piece, Naruto, Bleach, Hunter x Hunter, they are familiar with it. Famous manga nowadays, such as Demon Slayer or Jujutsu Kaisen, they have read or heard about it. Enthusiasts. They have too much spare time and they use it to read manga. Clannad, Kuroshitsuji, Gintama, they know about this. And last, Kami-sama, Monster, Made in Abyss, One Outs. If you know about this, congrats, you belong to this category. If there is a degree in reading manga, they probably would already have this. So, the 5 way that writes which category this belong to. Newcomer. Because this manga is very entertaining and it's also a story that I really like. You can read it while turning off your brain and still enjoy the manga. With various character discussion one by one, we can see various sides of each character so that we don't get bored with one character, especially if it's the part of the character that we like. It feels good. So, what about the other categories? Shonen enjoyers and enthusiasts can read this as a refresher. But for Kami-sama, because they feel they have received a doctorate degree, it doesn't fit them because of the simple storyline.
Oh, hell no!
Also, if you don't agree, you can include the reasons in the comment down below. The conclusion is, this manga, Gotobu no Hanayome, is a very entertaining read, especially for singles. Also, it is a very good story because there is no filler. For now, we will conclude here. See you folks in our next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers, Nine Wonder!